All right, you guys ready for the first comedian after the break?
Woo!
Yeah. Nice. Oh, this guy's my favorite comedian in the city. You guys are gonna love him. Please welcome Artur Tavik. So, my friend invited me to this party the other day, and I didn't know anybody at the party, so it's kind of weird for me the whole time, sitting alone like that. And I saw my friend talking to this guy I didn't know, and I saw him pointing at me. I was like, "What's up?" I was like, "I was just telling him you do stand-up comedy." And the guy who I didn't know looks at me and goes, "Yeah, you kind of look like a comedian." I was like, "Yeah, thank you, I guess." And then I started thinking about all my comedian friends and how they look like. It's not a compliment at all. That was just a dick.